Hello students, today we are going to solve this thermodynamics question, which is very important model. Sir, why are you saying this is very important model? Because whole thermodynamics depends upon only one concept, that is delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S formula. So that formula based questions definitely they cover in any paper of every year. Every year you take this model, they cover. So that's what I am saying. So now coming to this problem. So how to see or how to solve this problem, you check. Standard entropy of x2, y2 and xy3 value 60, 40, 50 joules, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse given. And they have given reaction. For that reaction delta H also given. And they said here, if that reaction want to be at equilibrium, so at what temperature will it will be possible? So they are asking, that means temperature they are asking. Here you see, first which formula should we use? That is delta H G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. This formula we have to use. So now here you see this, they said if it want to be at equilibrium, you people all know very well, delta G is equal to what? 0. Okay, so substitute that delta G 0. So therefore, if you substitute there, delta H is equal to T delta S we can write. Because how can I write this one? They said to be at equilibrium. Equilibrium, if it want to be at equilibrium, so delta G should be taken 0. That's what I have taken. Now substitute the given values here. Now in this equation I am going to substitute. So here before going to that, what they are asking here? They are asking about temperature. At what temperature it will be at the equilibrium. So therefore here I am taking T is equal to delta H by what? Delta S. Okay, delta H value already given, that is what? Minus 30 kilojoules. Kilojoules given, and S value is given in joules. S value. Okay, all S values. So that's what I am multiplying this one into 1000. Therefore 30 minus 30 into 1000 I'm taking here, you take unit joules divided by, here you see this delta S value. For this equation we need to calculate. For this equation we need to calculate delta S value. Okay, so delta S formula is what? Here you see delta S formula is equal to products entropy minus reactants entropy. Products entropy in the reaction, how much is given? 50 minus reactants, you see reactants half, because coefficient of half moles, half into what? 60 plus 3 by 2 into how much? 40 given. Okay, so just now we can take it. Here you see this 50 cancellation, here 30, and here 120 divided by here 60 we are getting. Total value 50 minus 90 we will get. Okay, so 50 minus 90. Now 50 minus 90 means 40 what? Joules. 40 joules. Okay, so now that delta S value 40 joules, here what are the complete units you can take? Here Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. You can take it like Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. Okay, whatever you take it here. 40 cancellation, cancel it. 3000 minus 3000 divided by 4. So what we are getting here? 750 Kelvin is our answer. So now check it in the options which is given. Yes. So our answer is 750. Have you got it or not? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.